Today, we'll present you with a fantastic and straightforward method to eliminate rats and mice without resorting to poison or traps, so stick around until the conclusion of the video. Rats are notorious carriers of various diseases that pose significant threats to human health. Their presence can lead to the dissemination of illnesses like Salmonellosis and Hantavirus among humans, which can result in severe symptoms such as fever, vomiting, diarrhea, and in extreme cases, even death. Additionally, rats are destructive pests capable of causing substantial property damage. Initially, we'll grind sunflower seeds, a favorite of rats that they cannot resist, using a grinder. Alternatively, you can utilize grated cheese or cocoa. Transfer the ground seeds to a bowl. Then, incorporate 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. The third component consists of 2 tablespoons of quick construction plaster or cement. The final ingredient, which may or may not be necessary, is 1 tablespoon of wheat flour. If you require a larger quantity, simply increase the flour amount. Rats will be enticed by the aroma of the grain and will consume the mixture, which will solidify in their stomachs, leading to their swift demise. This method is faster and more effective than rat glue and chemical poisons, which take days to work. You can apply this mixture indoors or outdoors, but it must be shielded from water or rain as the plaster will lose its efficacy. It's advisable to use this outdoors to prevent the possibility of a deceased rat being concealed indoors. Fill small food freezer bags and puncture small holes in them to intensify the scent. Remove the excess portion of the bag, position it in the rat's hiding spot, and provide some water nearby, as ingestion of this mixture along with water accelerates its effectiveness. Dear friends, if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.